Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this tutorial video, I will discuss one of the pipe supports, which is B02 for Eco Praxis company. Here, this type of pipe support, which is the clamp guide, we will generate it by using SEG Software PSG. From here, we will select a new, and from this list, we will select B02. And here you will find the configuration of this one. When you double click, you will get the spec of this pipe support. Now let's select the location of this project. Let's create it on this folder and click create to start generating this one. Here we will add the support mark name and the quantity and painting code. I prepared a separate Excel sheet. Here the indication of this support indicated by the pipe size. Okay, and here all the time the material is 235. And by the way, the thickness is not clear here. No information about the thickness of the plate, so we assumed it. And the height is not mentioned. Is it from the pipe outside diameter or from the clip inside surface? So those 2 points we need a clarification for them regarding the thickness of this plate and the height h measured from the pipe outside surface or from the clip inside surface. Okay, now let's add the sizes here. So let's take a copy from that and make a paste here. Okay, so here we have an empty cell, so let's delete it. Delete this row. And as you can see, we have here the sizes 2 inches, 8 inches, 6 inches. And here down we have 24 inches. If we take a look to the spec here, it's not include 24 inches. The diameter up to 20, from half inch up to 20 inch. So let's check if the validation will accept it or not. So let's click validate. As you can see, all sizes accepted, but the size of 24 is still rejected because it's not listed on the sizes list of this pipe support. So let's change it. Let's say for 16, for example. Okay, and click validate again. Okay, so from validate, as you can see here, we have 62 one our item from this support mark, because here we have 48 and here we have 14. Now let's generate the support marks. Let's save this project. So from here, let's save the project, and from here let's start creating the project by clicking on build. Now the all drawings are created. Now let's make the assembly collection to calculate the overall weight of this support mark and calculate the overall surface area if we will need to calculate the required surface area for painting, and to prepare the final assembly for the nesting study. Okay, now the assembly is created, and as you can see here, we have all of the supports in this project, all supports of B2. Now to get all the fabricated weight, it's 1.5 ton. Okay. And here's the surface area in millimeters square, around 1, 2, 3, it's around 40 meters square. Okay, now let's collect all drawings. So from here, let's close this one, and from here collect all the drawings, start creating the drawing collection. So as you can see, we have here 10 sheets. So if we move from one sheet to another, you will find all sizes. So if something like that, you can adjust it easily. Okay, but all of the other dimensions is okay. So we can remove that because already we have the diameter here. If you would like to do something like that, now you can print all of those drawings in PDF. So from here you can export the drawings in PDF and be sure that you select all sheets and name it as B02 drawings. Okay, and for the assembly, we will make a nesting study for it after printing the drawings in PDF. So from here, let's click on create nesting to start creating a nesting study. So here we have three categories. First category is with 5 millimeters, 12 millimeters, and 10 millimeters. Let's accept the categories. Click on accept, and from here let's delete the first one, which is the default material, and from here let's rename that as 5 millimeters. Take a copy from the name here and that one is 12. For that one is 10. And from the package you can define the required or the available blade dimensions. And for the nesting you can define that. So here let's make the blade as 6 meters by 1.5. And click on OK. Now let's click on create start nesting, and from here select minimize length and start creating this study. Okay, here as you can see, for the 5 millimeters we will need this slice of blade. It's around 750, and for the thicknesses with 12 millimeters we will need three blades, 6 meters by 1.5. That's the first arrangement for the first blade. That's the second blade, and the third blade we will need a slice with 550 millimeters. For the 10 millimeters thickness we will need a slice of a blade with 1 meter point 2. Okay, so I hope that will be helpful for you to understand the steps of creating the assembly drawings and create the nesting study for the pipe support. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.